Good day, everyone. Today, we will be exploring the nature, goals, and perspective of anthropology, sociology, and political science.
Nature of anthropology. It is the study of humankind involving the humanities past and present, including the biological, cultural, and linguistic. So basically, the biological anthropology tackles about the past and present of human. For example, the evolution of human or its origin. The biological anthropology also tackles about on how we adapt to environment. In cultural, it investigates on how people share a common culture system. In linguistic, it focuses on the change of language that people uses time by time.
The goal of anthropology is to provide a deep understanding about humans' past and present.
There are three goals of anthropology. The first goal of anthropology is to understand the fossil record of early people. The second goal of anthropology is to understand how we adapt to different environmental conditions. And lastly, to understand the conduct of monkey and gorillas to their regular setting.
There are four keys of anthropological viewpoints. The first one is holism. The anthropologists are keep all in humankind in how differentiate part of life connect. The second one is cultural relativism. The possibility that we should try to comprehend someone else's convictions and practices. The third one is comparison. In cultural anthropology, we compare ideas, morals, practices, and systems within or between cultures. The last one is fieldwork. In cultural anthropology, fieldwork is alluded to as ethnography, which is both the interaction and after effect of social anthropology examination. The Greek expression ethno alludes to individuals, while graphy alludes to composing.
Our next topic is all about the nature, goals, and perspective of sociology.
Sociology is scientific investigation of human culture and human behavior. It also examines on how people interact with each other and how social groups are formed.
In addition, major transformation in the 18th and 19th centuries, such as repeated industrialization resulting in a large anonymous workplace.
The French social thinker Auguste Comte. He first coined the term sociology to describe a new way of thinking about societies, system governed by principles of organization.
The ultimate goal of sociology is to acquire knowledge about society.
Samuel Koenig has pointed out the ultimate aim of sociology is to improve man's adjustment to life by developing objectivity, knowledge concerning social phenomena which can be used to deal effectively with social problems. The first goal of sociology is to understand how membership in one social group affects individual behavior. The second one is to understand the causes and consequences of social change.
Is centered on understanding how human society operates, how social structures shape individual and group behaviors, and how social institutions influence our lives.
Political science is a study of nature, causes, and consequences of collective decisions and actions taken by a group of people in government.
These are the goals of political science. The first goal is the concern with the process of the growth and industrialization. The second goal of political science is to understand the various political functions and to find more effective political systems. And the last goal is to measure the success of the governance.
Political perspective helps us research and explain government and legislative processes so that citizens can be more informed about policies that affect their communities, country, and their livelihood.